Chef Prasad Creations. I'm back with yet another recipe, vegetarian and continental. We are going to make American dish today, crispy fried onion rings. But it won't be a usual rings. We are going to stuff the rings with cream cheese and lots of herbs and seasoning. And we are going to coat it with breadcrumb and deep fry. You can serve this as an appetizer, can be serve as an bar snacks, or you can serve as a snacks, or you can eat in any time of a day. Monsoon is according to the season, it's monsoon, and onion rings go very well. Crispy fried deep fried onion rings goes with the monsoon season, and it's vegetarian. So let's start and see what are the ingredients goes in. So to start, it's very important to choose the onion perfectly. We want big and round size of onion, and we want these kinds of rings. So I already made few rings, and we are going to make two like pair of rings so that we can stuff the stuffing in between. So it is really important to make the rings nicely, and you need to handle it carefully so that it doesn't break in between like this. So we have two sets, and then we are going to make stuffing and stuff it inside. I'll show you how. So let's have a look at the stuffing, what we are going to use for the stuffing. So we have cream cheese, which is one small bowl. And then we have bell pepper. You can take colored bell pepper, but as I got only green one because of the lockdown. Then we have salt to taste, little pepper powder. Then we have a whole lot of herbs. So I'm going to add smoked chili to it, smoked paprika, then garlic powder and onion powder. So these are going to be into the stuffing. So let's start making a stuffing first. So let's start the stuffing. We are going to use the cream cheese first. So one small bowl of cream cheese, then chopped bell peppers. Then we are going to use the pepper powder just to enough for the stuffing. Salt enough to taste. There is already a salt in a cream cheese, so need to be careful while adding the salt. Then we are going to use the onion powder. These powders are easily available in market, so you can just find out at any supermarket or small store. Then we have smoked paprika powder, just a little bit. It will add nice smoky flavor to the stuffing. And that's it. We are going to give you a quick mix, and also garlic powder a bit, and we are going to mix it. So let's start assembling the rings. We need one small ring and one big ring. You need to choose accordingly and go on stuffing the stuffing into the big ring first, like this, and secure it tightly. So spread evenly all over, and then take a smaller ring and put in the center. Even the stuffing can be stuffed properly in between like this. So you can see stuffing all over the onion, and this is how we need to make all other rings. Rings are ready. Stuffing everything organized and assembled very nicely and secured. So let's see the batter. What are we going to use in the batter? So to make the batter, I have refined flour or maida, pepper to taste, salt and water. So we'll just combine everything together to make a batter. Approximately we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of maida, should be enough, and black pepper powder to taste, just half teaspoon, salt according to taste, and mix it nicely. Add water. It should be lumps free. We don't want too thick batter. Need more water. So our batter is ready. Then next part is, so batter is ready. Should be of dropping consistency like this. And let's see what goes in the coating now. So we are going to use the breadcrumb. Just a half bowl breadcrumb. Then little flour we are going to add. Maybe 1 or 2 spoons, so that it will be coated properly just 1 or 2 spoons of flour. Then salt to taste, not too much. Black pepper powder, maybe just a pinch. Then we are going to add mixed herbs, which are again a pinch. Then again we are going to add smoked paprika, which will give distinctive flavor. It will give nice smoky flavor to the everything. And you can add onion garlic powder as well. I'm not going to add because there is enough of onion and the main ingredient is also onion, so that should be enough. We'll mix everything nicely and our coating is ready. We have everything ready. We are ready for coating. So we have onion ring stuffed with the cream cheese and the seasoning. Then we have regular flour or maida. Then you have batter made with maida and the coating of breadcrumb. We have already seen what goes inside. So let's start assembling and coating of the onion rings. Let's go. Let's start. We'll take the stuffed ring first and we'll dip into the just regular flour or maida first. Coat it nicely evenly and tap for the any excess flour. Then dip into the batter and it should coat evenly all over. Make sure inside, outside, everywhere, and then drop this into a breadcrumb slowly and pour a breadcrumb on top so that it coats evenly like this. If your batter will not coat properly to the onion, the breadcrumb will not stick. So it should be, the coating should be even and the batter should be all over, and then only the breadcrumb will stick to it. This is how it should come out. This is how it should look. So we'll make all the rings ready like this. So you can see all the rings are already coated. There is a stuffing inside. So it's very important to secure that stuffing very nicely. For that we need to put this into a freezer. So we'll keep this at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can keep this like make night before and you can fry next day as well for better result. So let's keep this inside before we fry and we will see the sauce which goes along with it and then we will fry it. Onion rings are in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, before fry, we will make a sauce which we are going to serve along with that. So I am going to give a little twist to it. So we are using coriander, 1 green chili. So there is a coriander and 1 green chili, salt, pepper to taste, and mayonnaise. So we are going to make paste with coriander and chili, salt and pepper. We are going to make a fine paste and add that paste to mayonnaise and mix it, and that's what we are going to make a cilantro sauce, chili cilantro sauce to go along with the onion ring. So let's make the sauce. So our chili cilantro dip is ready, the paste is ready. I am going to pour this in a bowl and then we are going to add mayonnaise to it. Mayonnaise will just give little tangy taste and little body, and also so we'll add paste which is 2 tablespoons and more mayonnaise, and we will mix everything together to make a dipping sauce which will be nice green color and which will have flavor of cilantro and chili, which will go along with the onion rings. So our sauce is ready. So our chili cilantro dip is ready. I am just keeping that ready before we fry the onion rings which are stuffed. So let's fry now. I kept oil for heating. Oil should be hot but on medium flame, and I have kept butter pepper ready. So let's take out the onion rings. Okay, they are nice and secure. You can see. Lovely. So we are going to deep fry this now. Oil is hot and we will just, not everything at a time but slowly, maybe 2 rings at a time. Not to touch immediately, we need to just sprinkle some hot oil over with a perforated spoon and fry them slowly until it becomes little crisp and golden brown. So the reason behind putting them into the freezer is so that the cream cheese set, and secure while we fry them. Otherwise it will ooze out while frying. So it's very important to keep into the freezer at least half an hour or better overnight if you have time, and then fry. If you fry immediately, the stuffing may come out. So fry it nicely. So our stuffed onion rings with cream cheese is ready. Also the dipping sauce is ready, cilantro and chili dip sauce. So let's see the presentation. And you can see the rings are looking perfect, secured and golden fried and delicious. Also the dipping looks very tempting. So trust me, it is going to be one of the best dish so far. And please do like, share and comment on the dish, and also subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new more recipes and notification for new recipes. So see you soon. I hope you will like this recipe, crispy stuffed fried onion rings with chili cilantro dip. See you.